Our team is funded by NASA to create custom drones that deliver packages and land on city buses. Hermes is our full-scale drone measuring 8 feet wingtip to wingtip. The first step in our process is for each of our drones to pick up a package at its base station. The next step is for the drone to take off and intercept the nearest bus within the city. Once the bus is found, our drone will use a variety of sensors to land, latch, and then charge on that bus for the remainder of its trip. Once the bus gets close to its destination, the drone will unlatch, then deliver its package. One benefit to drone delivery systems is that it eliminates the use of large diesel vehicles within a city. We had this crazy idea, why don't we just deliver the game ball to the next football game? And next thing you know, we're meeting with the athletic director. It was quite the surreal experience for all of us, and I think it's really special that we were able to show off what we've been working so hard for. I like to think that our research group has some of the best and brightest engineers at Michigan State, and that's who I love to surround myself with.